Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, like usual, today I will share to you about layoffs. Layoffs are on the rise in the mind of crypto winter. How Jia was so confident in the potential of cryptocurrencies that he passed up a job at large Dutch firm Oracle to take another offer. He resigned in early April to be a software engineer at one of the biggest crypto startup Coinbase. But last week, Jia was one of a number of employees who received an email from Coinbase stating their job offers for Jia. Not only means losing a job, but also possibly a visa. I'm an international student and I need to keep my visa, he told to CNN Business. Now, after a Coinbase favor to go to a bigger company because I'm worried about my visa. After initially planning to hire up to 2,000 more employees this year, City enormous product opportunities ahead Coinbase has abruptly stepped course in recent days. The cryptocurrency exchange, which was once valued at nearly $100 billion, has resigned over employment. Its rising freeze and laid of 80% of its workforce. In a company-wide email sent Tuesday to employees announcement, the mass layoff Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong found to be a possible recession looming and growth would happen too quickly employees learned they had lost their job after learned they had no finding terms logged out of their work emails. I realized the removal of access will feel sudden and unexpected, and this is not the experience I wanted for you. Armstrong word. After initial planning to hire up to 2,000 more employees this year, seeking enormous product opportunities ahead, Coinbase has a confidence in a company-wide email sent Tuesday to employees announcing the mass layoff. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong pointed to a possible recession looming and growth that have go to quickly employees learn they had lost their job after learn they had lost their job. Their work emails. I release the removal of access will feel suddenly and unexpected, and this is not the experience I wanted for you. Armstrong. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much. See you. Bye.